College football is back. Aroldis Chapman is taking a crap. And it's time for another Tank's Taste Test. So nice win by Notre Dame. Could have played better. Fucking didn't cover, which fucking hurts me and pisses me off. But it's time for another unusual, strange soda. Could this soda be any bluer? Could this soda be any bluer? And it's called Toxic Slime. Toxic Slime. It's another one of these Avery's bottling company, Avery's beverage company. Always ask for Avery's. It's so disgusting. They call it, it's part of their totally gross soda line. So we're going to give this very blue soda. I mean, this really does almost match the Mets blue. I mean, this really is almost like a Mets blue. A little lighter with the liquid, because it's in liquid form. But it definitely true blue, and it's almost like a Mets drink. It's like a toxic slime. I guess that's trying to say something here. Soda disgusting. It's blue, raspberry, and orange. Now, is blue raspberry the same as a blueberry? So this is this company from Connecticut. Avery's Beverage Company, New Britain, Connecticut. AverySoda.com. It's so disgusting. Always ask for Avery. Toxic Slime. Let's see if this really does taste disgusting, or if it's something that's pretty good. The Unicorn Yak wasn't too bad. And this is a blueberry, raspberry, orange. Blue, raspberry, orange mix. So we'll see which flavor wins this war and if it helps make it a good soda. Bang, 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 boom, 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 brand, 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 dan, 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 dan. Smells pretty good. It smells kind of like a blueberry. I smell the blueberry. So let's see how this tastes. Don't taste any orange. Tastes like blueberry to me. Tastes like blueberry. I'm going to give this a 7.4. It's not too bad, not too great.